Hey, so today's build is for my truck. I've got a storage issue in the bed of my truck. And I think I got a solution for it. I'll show you what I mean outside. Let's go for a walk. It's a little messy, we're in the middle of winter. So, I'm sure most of you realize this, when you put stuff in your truck bed and then you hit your brakes, everything slides forward. Now, the tow bar, or the bed bar, is pretty good at keeping stuff from sliding forward, but if it's too small, it'll scoot under and it's just a mess. So I think I got a solution for it. So what we're gonna build is a box to go in the bed of the truck. And I think it should be a fairly straightforward build. We need a couple of pieces at 54 inches for the base, front panel, and back panel. Got a couple sides, about 17 and a half, and we're gonna make about 3 or 4 dividers sectioned off, so let's get to it. This is the final product. Not so great on the staining. First time I've ever done anything like that, but I mean, utility-wise, it'll work out pretty good. And the handle's nice and sturdy. You can pick up the whole unit. I did only go with the one divider. This section I want to have a 5-gallon bucket for tools and such, and then I figured that it would be just good to have another open one instead of trying to divide it. I do have the other 3 dividers that I made, so if I want to change it, I can. But yeah, let's go ahead and put it in the truck, see how she looks. Okay, wow, that was the biggest thing I've ever made down there, heaviest. That was a bit of a tricky to get it up, but we got it upstairs. I got it on the tailgate. We can go ahead and put it in now. Let's back. There she is on the tailgate. We slide her in. Butt's right up against that tow bar. A little bit of space on either end. But yeah, I think that's gonna work to keep everything toward the back of the truck.